Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys the latest update on dogs. So guys, we actually claimed or withdrew your dogs coin using your Bybit account. You can now find your dogs coin on your Bybit account. It is now reflecting, it is now live. The distribution have actually started. So guys, what I'll do now is actually to show you guys how you can actually find your dogs coin on your Bybit account. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now in order to find your dogs coin is to tap on where you can see asset. You can see there at the bottom right corner the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now under this my assets, what you have to do now is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards. So guys, now you can see your different type of account. You can see your funding account, you can see your unified trading account. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see unified trading account. You can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now under this your unified trading account, this is where you're going to find your dogs coin. So guys, now you can see it down there, the arrow is pointing at it. That's my dogs coin. But in case you can't find yours, what you have to do is to use the search icon at the top. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Once you tap on the search icon, then you type in dogs, then yours will be able to appear. So guys, now you can see the dogs coin right there. You can see the logo, you can see the quantity of dogs coin that I mined on Telegram. You can see it. You can see the amount or quantity of dogs coin that I mined. You can see it there. 56,949 dogs coin. So guys, now you can see it. So guys, now you've seen your dogs coin. Now the next step now is actually to convert your dogs coin to USDT. Then after that, what you have to do next now is to actually sell your USDT on P2P. So guys, now in case you don't know how to do this, I've already made videos on all that. What you have to do now is to go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving the video links there. What you have to do is to tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you can be able to learn how you can actually convert your dogs coin to USDT, then how you can actually sell your USDT on P2P. So guys, now is that easy. So guys, now this is how you can actually find your dogs coin on your Bybit account. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye. Peace.